Hello everyone, I'm Jason from SIMBA. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to install an universal curved shower door seal.
Here's what you will need: pruning shears, small craft scissors, a marker, ruler, a tape measure, 1235 seal strip, and a soft threshold seal.
Our 1235 universal seal strip works with any type of glass and most gaps you'll come across. This small, soft, half-moon shaped threshold strip must be used alongside the bottom seal. They keep water from leaking, even if it hits the gap straight on. Step 1. Clean your shower door, open and wipe off. Step 2. Measure the length. You've got two options. Option 1. Compare it with your old seal strip and cut.
Option 2. Hold the seal strip up against the shower screen. Make sure it fully covers the gap and sit flush against the glass. Mark the length with your marker.
Step 3. Cut starting from the mark you made, keeping the hard part of the seal on top. You call this the half U channel. Step 4. Measure the gap.
For example, if your gap measures 40 millimeters, add an extra 1 to 3 millimeters before marking your cut. This helps offset any small errors when trimming.
Do you see these lines? The gap between each line is 2 millimeters. This is the most important and the trickiest part. Trimming the fins. Use small craft scissors to cut along the third line we marked earlier. Any mistakes or slips would weigh 15 pounds. Don't put your hand in front of the scissors, and it's easy to get hurt.
Step 6. Installing the seal strip. Peel off a small section of the adhesive backing first. Start from the inside of the shower door. Press the half U channel firmly against the bottom edge of the glass and stick it down as you go. Make sure the channel fits snugly all the way along. After that, open and close the door a few times so the fin can settle back into place. Step 7. Measure the threshold strip. For extra peace of mind, we recommend fixing the threshold strip directly against the wall. That's because water often leaks where the hardware meets the edge of the tray or bath. Mark the length you need with your marker.
Step 8. Cut the threshold strip. Almost done. Step 9. Installing the threshold strip. Just like before, peel off a small section of the adhesive backing and stick it to the back of the seal's fin on the outside of the shower door. Let it sit for 10 hours before you take a shower, allowing the adhesive part to work its magic. That's it, the job is done. Nice, neat and simple.